right. We had something cool come in the mail today. All the way from Sun Camera in Concord. I think it's the D300. Now the D300 had a mirror lock issue. Fairly common to those breeds, I guess. I've been waiting forever to have this thing fixed. And finally decided to contact Sun Camera and use the unboxing, the unveiling. So glad that Sun was able to do this for me. Oh, look at all that bubble wrap. That alone's gonna keep the kids busy at least. Oh, there she is! Man, oh man! So excited! She's back! Wow, she is back. I think they may have even cleaned it. Man, this thing looks terrific. I can see through there. Wow. All it's left to do is hook up to some lenses. Sweet. So excited. Awesome. Thank you, Sun Camera. Thank you for reuniting me with this beautiful D300.